IPE is only a few days away. You're gonna wanna come by and check it out. It's gonna be awesome. It's in Armstrong, British Columbia, August 27th to August 31st. It's got the fair, it's got the rodeo, it's got all the people trying to sell you stuff like us. Like, it's just loaded up with stuff. Bring your checkbook, bring your wallet, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Canadian Express, Canadian Tire points. Whatever it is, there's gonna be someone that'll take it from you there. So you wanna make sure you get there with lots of money, open checkbook, ready to roll. You know, you can buy tractors there, you can buy buildings from us, you can buy hot tubs there from Beachcomber. Some years there's even people selling greenhouses there, greenhouse in the snow. What else? There's people selling all sorts of trinkets and junk just so you can spend your money, because I know, like, when you're there you want to spend your money. And then the fair part, you can gamble, you can spend money on, like, you know, the usual stuff, throwing loops at bottles and that sort of thing. But yeah, come on by the IPE. We're going to be there next week, and yeah, it's a fun spot, fun time, good spot to bring your kids. You know, you want to definitely put away a full day for it, but probably 2 days if you're going to actually see everything and get to go on all the rides, go through all the barns, watch the rodeo. Like, you're going to be a couple, you know, 4 to 6 hour days in there. We hope to see you there. We'll be there. We're going to have a trailer there. We're going to have our design tool there. We're going to have design packages available. So excited to tell you guys about these deals. It'll just help you get started for less. We're also going to have a deal on maintenance inspections. So if you've got some buildings you want to make sure they're ready for winter, stop by the IPE booth, because we can help you out with that. And our deals are not limited to the IPE only. They're running during that week. So if you can't make it to the IPE, give us a call. We're going to be monitoring the phone lines. We're going to be watching our emails. Call us, email us, let us know how we can help you. And looking forward to seeing you at the IPE, August 27th to 31st in Armstrong, British Columbia. See you there.